Start. Gentlemen, we are in receipt of your letter this morning. Although we have not yet seen the goods in question, we are answering your letter immediately. You will understand the difficulty we are facing when we tell you that yours is not the only letter in the matter received within the past few days. There have been complaints from various other customers. You will be surprised to know that in no case has our company supplied the goods in question. However, such goods carry our trademark on a though through investigation it has been found out that such goods are being supplied by some other manufacturer who is using our trademark. When we received the first complaint stating that the quality of our goods was not what we are known for, we looked into the matter and to our great surprise, we found that no order had been received by us from the company which had complained. We immediately sent our representative to find out on the spots the facts at first hand. He found, as he has since found in other cases, that the goods delivered look in every way like those which we ourselves manufacture and that they carry our special trademark. It appears that someone stating that he is one of our representatives calls upon a customer promises to offer very quick delivery and specially reduced prices in case the payment is made immediately on delivery of goods. Moreover, the special price list shown to customers is printed on what appears to be our letter papers in about half a dozen cases we have looked into within the last few days. This has been the method followed, and we are sure you will report the same method in your own case. Please report to us the details of your case. In the meantime, we trust that the matter will not influence you will in any way against this company. Yours truly.